In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge. This is a simple but powerful feature that lets your browser narrate the text on a web page for you. It's great for accessibility, multitasking, or giving your eyes a break while you catch up on articles, documentation, or long blog posts. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure you're on the web page you want to listen to, like an article or a help page. Once the page has loaded, look to the very top right corner of the browser window for the three dots. This is the main menu button. Click it to open the menu. From that menu, find and select More Tools. This expands a set of options designed to help you work more efficiently with the page you're viewing. In that list, click Read Aloud. As soon as you do, Edge will begin reading the text on the page out loud. You'll see on-screen playback controls appear so you can quickly play or pause, and the text being read is typically highlighted so you can follow along visually. This makes it easy to listen and skim at the same time, which is especially helpful for proofreading or learning. If you prefer a quicker path, there's an alternative way to start. Right-click anywhere on the web page and choose Read Aloud from the context menu. This does the same thing without going through the main menu. It's handy when you're already focused on the page content and want to start listening right away. A few helpful things to keep in mind as you use it. Read Aloud works best on pages with standard selectable text. If some information is embedded in images or complex layouts, it may be skipped because there's no actual text for the browser to read. If the reading begins in an unexpected spot, give the page a moment to finish loading and try again. Also, if the option doesn't appear immediately, a quick refresh of the page can help the browser detect the content correctly. That's all there is to it. Open Edge, go to the menu with the three dots, choose More Tools, and click Read Aloud. Or, right-click on the page and select Read Aloud for the fast track. With just a couple of clicks, you can listen to your web pages and stay productive while you do other tasks. Try it on your next long read and see how it fits into your workflow.